I am standing in my winter rye food plot. And when I say winter rye, it's mostly winter rye. Planted this fall. There's the blind. And this is the spot that I cleared out or had logged 2 seasons ago. So last season was the first season to hunt in it. There's still some stumps. And I've ground a lot of stumps, and that's left a lot of wood chips. And that takes time to break down and uses up a bunch of nitrogen. But over time, it's just going to continuously get better. This year's been really dry, and so overall I am happy with the food plot. I did throw a little more winter rye seed in it here on Friday, and today's Sunday, and last night we got 1.1 inches of rain, so I'm very grateful for that. But we got a little bit of clover in here, and we also have a few radishes as well. There we got a thistle, but for the most part it's pretty weed free. Here you can see some of the wood mulch or wood chips, and there you can see it. And again, those pockets I'm not expecting a lot from, but overall, this is going to provide the deer some good food going into the fall, and maybe even carry into late season. And then where it really will shine and help the deer is going to be in the spring, because this winter rye will come back and it will be green and the first thing growing that these deer can try to rebound from the winter. So we got some apple trees in here, and these were planted this year, so they're not producing any fruit yet. And we actually had a late frost, and I had a bunch of flowers on some of my other apple trees and never produced an apple here this year. So sometimes weather and Mother Nature can change your plans, but winter rye is a nice thing to plant, especially when you've had a dry summer, and it can start growing when you pick up some of those fall rains. There you can see the water hole, and I got a stick in that, so if a rodent gets in, it can get out. And then we got my screen, my blind, and there you can see the trail camera, and I can check the trail camera without even walking into this food plot. And then I just added a utilization cage over here a week ago, so we're not going to see much of a difference, but we can maybe see a little more height on the winter rye there than the surrounding areas. So